This is a box. And this is the Xiaomi Mi A3. Let's review it. So, how good is this phone in 2020? Let's find out. Okay, so what exactly is in the box? So in the box, we get a clear case, SIM card ejector tool, USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable, and of course, the 10-watt charging brick. As you can see here, 5 volts times 2 amps equals 10 watts. Alright guys, let's talk about the specifications. This phone is not wireless charge, but it supports up to 18 watts of fast charging, which is not included as you only get a 10-watt charger in the box. The Xiaomi also includes a in-screen fingerprint reader, so that's really cool. The phone comes with the Snapdragon 665 with 4 or 6 GB RAM options. The phone comes with a 4030 mAh battery that lasts up to 2 days, which is crazy good. Now let's talk about the display. The phone comes with a 6-inch or 15-ish centimeter 1560 by 720p Super AMOLED panel, and yeah, it's not very high resolution. As you can see here, the pixels are actually pretty visible to the naked eye, no magnification required. Fun fact, the iPhone 4 actually has a higher PPI, pixel per inch density, than the Xiaomi Mi A3. Crazy, right? The Mi screen is so bad. On the bright side, you can unlock your phone with your face with the Mi A3, and the iPhone 4 can't do that. It doesn't even have a fingerprint reader. Hey, if you made it this far, make sure to subscribe and smash the like button. I would appreciate it so much. Thank you. The phone has glass on both the back and front, of course, and it is Gorilla Glass 5. There is also triple lens cameras on the back, so the phone also features a teardrop camera with SD card reader and dual SIM support, and a fake stainless steel border. Yeah, it kind of looks like the iPhone, but it's actually just plastic. As we zoom in on the headphone jack, you can see there's a tiny layer of the shiny plastic coating on top of the phone, but it's actually just plastic. But it does feel really premium, like you would never tell. It feels like you're holding a $1,000 device. By the way, if there are any Americans watching, this phone does not support CDMA carriers like Verizon, so watch out. Here are some shots taken from the Mi A3, as some of you guys may be interested on how well does this camera perform. Bear in mind, I actually use Gcam to make the cameras better, so yeah. The performance of the Mi A3 is actually quite good. So it opens up most apps pretty quickly, snappily, and all apps work pretty well, no lagging or crashing, and they all work pretty stably. You guys are wondering when Android 10 is coming out. It isn't going to be coming out until February, so yeah, it's kind of unfortunate. They're very slow about this, but here are the Geekbench scores if you want to see the raw performance of the device. So I actually compared this phone against a Pixel XL. If you're curious, click on the link in the description to go ahead and watch my video. Here are the compute benchmarks. Alright guys, that's my review of the Mi A3. Would you buy this phone in 2019 or 2020? Yes, I would. This phone is actually pretty great. Just the bad part is the actual screen, but everything else is perfect. And that's it guys, make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Check out my other videos, and yeah, I'll see you another day. Peace out.